remember variables, they're like named containers which can store changing values. A variable named, say, number can be equal to 1, 20, 0.18 or any other number you put in it. A variable can also contain text or other types of data. So let's declare number equal to 2, total equal to number plus number, dialog total. You'll see a dialog box displaying 4. In the first line, you defined a number variable equal to 2. In the next line, you defined a total variable so the heart sign is the prefix for all variables in G1ANT robot language. You can enter this character by pressing Ctrl+4 or accessing it from the menu. It's like a $sign in PHP language. So let's run this, and it's 4.